Alright, 1972 Camaro 396, big block, factory everything. Even has the factory 8-track player, Muncie 4-speed, factory air, all new seat, interior, headliner, seat covers, dash pad, carpet, sound deadening, no rust anywhere. Fresh paint job, coated to Camaro, Pewter Silver, original to the trim tag, trunk, no rust in the trunk. Not sure how much you're going to be able to see. Shock towers look good. New exhaust, Flowmaster, all new seals, fresh tires, rebuilt rear end, rebuilt transmission. Gauges, everything works. Air conditioner works. Seals all the way around. Rebuilt motor from ground up using all original parts. Has the original valve covers, original heat deflectors, nut and bolt restoration. New AC components, condenser, rebuilt AC compressor, new heater box, new heater coil, new master cylinder booster, new windshield wiper motor and pump, new radiator, all new components. RS SS. Show you a picture of the trim tag. Shot up. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that, but I do have pictures on the website. I do have all original parts that are removed down to the fan blades, or fan belts, sorry. Have the original fan belts, have the original shocks, original carburetor, original water pump, original lifters, all boxed up. excellent. Idle's excellent. Sounds excellent. Underneath the car looks about the same as a new car. Try to get a shot up underneath. Frame's been powder coated, frame off. Underneath the car looks as good as it does on top. Try to get a picture of the motor. Alright, there you have it, guys.